Ready to make some earth-shattering changes to your Minecraft world? Let's get right to blowing up TNT. First, if you don't already have TNT, you'll need to craft it. Open your crafting table. The recipe is 5 gunpowder and 4 sand, arranged with sand in the corners and gunpowder filling the remaining spaces. Now, place your TNT block wherever you desire some explosive action. Be mindful of your surroundings, because things are about to get messy. The most common way to ignite TNT is with Flint and Steel. Simply equip it, aim at the TNT block, and use it. You'll see the TNT begin to flicker and hiss. Once ignited, you have about 4 seconds before it detonates, so get clear. The explosion radius is significant, so put some distance between yourself and the TNT. Alternatively, you can use redstone to trigger TNT remotely. Connect a redstone trail to the TNT block and activate the circuit with a lever, button, or pressure plate. Fun fact, placing TNT underwater will still cause an explosion, but it will significantly reduce the damage to the surrounding terrain. Great for controlled demolition. And that's it. You've successfully blown up TNT in Minecraft. Experiment with different placements and redstone contraptions to create even more impressive explosions. Happy blasting!